delicious sweet plantain pancakes or plantain pancakes. Call it what you want. Today I am Switzerland. So this is for a serving size of 1. First of all, grab a ripe one. You'll know it's ripe because it is yellow and will have black spots. Typically, the more black spots, then the riper it is. Roughly chop this into blocks. Then we're going to grab our blender to make our pancake mix. So we're starting off with some milk. We'll also add in some eggs, some flour, a little bit of salt, some nutmeg, some baking powder, and a little bit of brown sugar. We don't need to add too much sugar as we get a lot of sweetness from the ripeness of the plantain. We're going to melt a little bit of butter in a pan, and then we're going to take half a cup, add our pancake mixture and pour that into the pan. So you want to have it cooking at a medium-ish temperature. And once you start to see bubbles forming, which should be after about 2 minutes, then you want to take the pancake and flip it. Essentially, you repeat that on the other side, you keep it cooking for about 2 minutes or so, and then you have your first pancake. And basically, you do this again and again and again until you use up the pancake mix, and then you have your beautiful stack. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.